Now we have someone from the very organizing team, that is Terry, for the very raw and transformative insights. So, over the past 5 decades, Terry has bridged research and implementation.
Yes.
So, how critical is this research to action model in today's rapidly evolving climate landscape?
Terry, of course, has done research also, but they have also collaborated with the government. They have also collaborated with the corporates, and then they have supported various very positive actions in terms of our sectors like agriculture, industry, shipping, and many areas. So Terry has been in forefront in creating roadmaps for various sectors, including cement. Now they are doing for shipping also. So I would say that research and the Terry is a big bridge between science, corporate, and the government. So a commendable role has been done by Terry. But most important is now they are all set to transform India's sustainability, transform global climate sustainability, and they would play a very important role in taking care of the climate change. And I'm sure that today it may be one of the very important global thinking tank of Global South, but in time to come, it will be the most important thinking tank for the whole globe.
And today we have all gathered here for the 25th year, that is the Silver Jubilee year for
Yes.
the World Sustainability Development Summit. So, any insights you would like to share on that?
I would surely congratulate Terry and particularly DG Dr. Biba that the way the response has come to this WSDS and the way the 25 years journey has been there. So it's commendable, and that's why all throughout the world, and particularly when we talk of sustainability sector, the climate change sector, Terry has earned great reputation, and the deliberations which are being done today, yesterday, and then tomorrow, it will go a long way in creating a roadmap for various governments also and various sectors also.
Thank you.